workshop software, workshop management software to run your motoring mechanical workshop. This is the dashboard. The main dashboard just shows you the sales for the year, for the financial year. You've got your invoicing up here. So if you want to create an invoice, you just go to new invoice. These are all the unpaid ones just sitting there waiting to be paid. So to create an invoice, all you do is select the customer via the name or mobile number. So let's type in a mobile number, for example, 0404. Here's one, Fred Jones. Okay, there's a message there that comes up. This customer's hard to deal with, a bit hard to deal with anyway. Just being left there for that customer. He's got a few cars, so let's choose that one. The VIN number automatically goes on there. There's the year, the make, the model. There's the address, his phone numbers. You can put a next service date in there. Put the odometer in there, say it's 100,000 Ks. We'll put some service on there, so major service, say he wants a major service, and that's the invoice. So you've got the customer name, the rego. When you select the vehicle, the customer details automatically go on there, and that's basically it. All you do is you hit the save, make payment or print, save your invoice, and it's all done. Everything's updated, the parts are updated, the profit and loss is updated, the inventory is updated, and the cost of goods, all the accounting is done, and all your reports are done, your financials are done, so you can have your profit and loss there. That'll be all updated, all your revenue, everything's updated automatically. And so we'll do that now. So we'll just go save. We'll just save. We'll just click on. We won't pay it now. We'll click on save, and the guy will come in and pay it off this afternoon. So I'll just click save in new. It'll just go save, and there it is up here. It just sits here as unpaid. It sits up here. So I click on it. There's that message again. There it is there. So when the customer comes in, you just click on it. Comes in, and you pay it off, and it disappears off the list. You can finalize it to 0. It'll save it to 0 as well if you're using 0. So we'll just say save. Already exists, yes, and now it's come off the list, so it's not there anymore. It's been paid. But you've got the invoice list here. We can look up invoices. So there it is up here. That's the invoice list. You've got job cards, spare parts, vehicles, service history. Let's have a look at the service history. So I go to invoice. I'll say ABC123. I'll select that vehicle. The customer goes automatically on there. If I click on service history, it shows me the service history for that rego, and there's all the service history for that rego. That easy. You can search on make, model, rego, VIN number. So here we've got VIN number. If I you don't need both VIN number and rego, but you can use both. In case the rego's changed, you might just want to search on VIN number, and that's the program. Motor Mechanic Workshop Management Software. All that you need. Integrates to Xero, Bursons, Repco, and other major packages. MYOB, QuickBooks, a few other things. And we're always adding more integrations via requests.